Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul. Oh wait, is this part of it? Yeah, it is. Okay, I got a lot. This is actually two hauls. I thought I had shown that bag, but I had not. We went to the Dollar Tree. I love Christmas plates, and I hate when I have to put them up, so I got winter plates. These we'll just use till, I don't know, March. I wanted to show you that Darren got the little stroller together. This is actually my third set of these twins. I don't know what I did with the other one though. I can't find it. I think it might be in the studio, but isn't that cute? The little stroller and the little babies and the tiny itty bitty clothes. Just cute as they can be. Let's show you this so I can set it out of the way. This is for, oh, I tied it in a knot. We went to, Darren and I went to a Christmas party yesterday, which was December 6th, depending on when we show this. And it was 3 hours, one-way drive. Yes, it was an exhausting day. But we went to other Hobby Lobbies, and they had these straw bales on sale, 90% off. So I got two for next year's, or for 2027 Winterfest. The theme is going to be Western. Let me set this here. Hobby Lobby, let's start here. This was from the other day. They had these for 90% off. I've told you before, there's a huge ride that comes down the Katy Trail just before Halloween. So we hand out little trick-or-treats because everybody stops to look at our bikes with the skeletons on them. And so last year, or this year, we sat out and handed out little things that they could put on their bikes to decorate. I also got more metallic bias tape. I'm going to buy some of that up. I got a pair of socks. Oh, snap. I love that. These were also, were these 90% off? Yes. So 19 cents for these two, or four. And you can, they're stickers, and you can put that on the front of a t-shirt for a doll. We have a little bitty tree this year. I got little bitty bulbs and little bitty hooks. And this is for our tree too. Isn't that cute? Love, love, love that. Sorry about the lighting. It is gloomy, gloomy, gloomy out. And if you are in Hobby Lobby, it's one of the last places on earth that I have found that still has gathered ribbon. If you see it, buy it, because it's, I fear, going to be a thing of the past. And they only have a few colors left. Used to be you could get about any color. Also, this was from yesterday. I am working on some projects here. The one's supposed to be a collab, but I'm not sure it's going to come together. Well, I'm going to have to just cut that. And I hate to, because these are really nice trash bags. I reuse all of my bags, and these are really good for lining my trash can. Look at that. Finally got it. Okay. So they had 30% off on fabric. I needed the brown. I needed the green fleece. So I got a yard each of that. They had, oh, was it 50% off this one, or 30%, I think, off Valentine's. Look at that tiny print. Wasn't going to leave it behind. Fabrics are going to get harder and harder to find now that Joann's is closed. I found a off-white and black gathered ribbon, so I bought that. Let me set this in here. You know what? I'm going to put those in. I put them in big Ziplocs. Let's do this. This was from the other day. I got, what did I get? A third of a yard of Grinch Stole Christmas fleece. And then I cut off the selvage edge and the wording at the bottom, you know, yeah, they're licensed to sell it and blah, blah, blah. And I cut a scarf. That's going to be for Tina's Grinchmas on the 15th of December. I got this for a project. I got this for a project. Actually, I got this because I couldn't find the brown fleece anywhere around here. This was in, like I said, 3 hours away. I got...
And the second Hobby Lobby we went to.
Yeah, the first one didn't have brown fleece either. I don't know what everybody's making, reindeer costumes or gingerbread men or something. But yeah, they were gone. And then I got these patterns. I always get double. Isn't that cute? Love the little penguin. So these are for upcoming projects. And then we stopped at Dollar General because my legs were cramping in the car on the way home terribly. And these are $1 great stocking stuffers. Oh, these are so cute. I bought my, I don't know if this will come on. No, it's got the strip in it. I bought one of these for my American Girl doll. Next year, we're going to do an advent calendar that we're going to sell for an American Girl doll. And I got one of these for that. I just think those are so cute. This is also for one of my sled teams. It's going to sit on the sled for my American Girls. Oh, isn't that cute? $5 couldn't pass it up. They only have one. I was hoping they had two. And then this is for a project I'm working on. And by the, well, I don't know. I'm not going to say what at this time, but $1 for two. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. And you can fill these. Another fun thing to do is fill that half with M&Ms or, you know, I always think chocolate, but candy, hanging on the tree, hand it to a kid that comes for your Christmas party. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.